This BT.50 we're working on today, we're going to install an upgraded intercooler at the same time. So the reason being is he's going to go get his tune work done elsewhere after we're finished with the vehicle today. This intercooler is going to allow him to up his turbo pressures by a boost, lower the combustion temperatures, and really complete the overall package he's doing with this vehicle. We've got the intercooler in place on this BT.50. Now we're here to install the transmission cooler. This is a dual core unit, so the main reason why we've got this unit here and what we're trying to achieve today is bringing down the transmission operating temperatures. This vehicle, they run excessively high. They sit at about 100, 105 degrees unloaded. As soon as you've got your caravan, larger tyres, you use it for forward driving. If you've got engine performance enhancements, this is the unit you need to look after your transmission. Keep it within the operating temperature.